Oh, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me. I'm in my basement workshop again, doing a little saw work here. This saw needs a new pipe, so I got the new exhaust pipe off of eBay. It was 35 bucks, something like that. You can get them cheaper, actually. There's Chinese versions. This probably is made in China too, but it's an authentic Husqvarna pipe. So anyway, I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but this pipe has kind of started to burn through, so it's time for it to go. This saw has been used a fair bit, so as you can see, but there's nothing wrong with it. It's just, you know, it's gotten plenty of use over the years. It is a 460 Rancher Husqvarna, so it's basically 60 cc's. It's right at the semi-professional level, or it's just a, you know, like a homesteader saw, or it's just a little bigger than something you'd keep in your garage for, you know, cutting up storm damage once every couple years or something like that. So it's a pretty good size all around. Once you got the shield off, you know, no problem. That just comes off with either a Phillips or a regular straight screwdriver, not a big deal. Looks like the spark arrestor part has actually burned through. I'm going to try to show you here, but inside, see if we can get this to focus. Yeah, inside here is a little spark arrestor. When that gets burned through this little cover, you know, you can't really just place this little cover. They have it set up to replace the whole thing. So that's the plan. But yeah, this assembly came all as one piece, ready to go. Should be really simple. And we'll see if we can get this off. And we can wipe some stuff down too. Probably this chainsaw could use a power washing. I don't think it's ever been cleaned like that. I did blow it off with air pressure and that, but you know, it's had its uses. Now this is a 5mm T-handle wrench. Okay, that's what it looks like. It's the exhaust port. We'll wipe that out. There's a lot of dirt in here, but you got to expect that over the years. Yeah, this pipe is not in great shape. Like I said, I don't know if you can see it. Probably can't see it on the camera, but when I look in here, I can see the spark arrestor is gone, and it's kind of bent up. I'm not sure. Over time, overuse, you know, not overuse, but being used probably caused that. So here's the shield and everything, with the original serial number. You know, this one comes, maybe some of them don't come with everything. Then you could reuse this shield, maybe get a little cheaper just on the pipe if it has to be. Now, I went online and I looked, and I could not find anywhere where they said to use Loctite. These were in very tight. So maybe they don't have to have anything on them. Just snug them in pretty good. I don't have any idea on a torque setting. I was just going to make it extremely tight. So as tight as I can get it without stripping them. And so hopefully that'll be a matter of feel. We'll see if this lines up right. Okay, now this is basically a 5mm T-wrench. Nothing fancy. You can use any kind you want. Like I said, I don't have a torque setting. But it shouldn't matter, hopefully. Like I said, they were very tight from the factory. I'm pretty sure this pipe's never been off, so Well, I went out and tested it quick, and turns out the exhaust is fine, but there's a little more work I'm going to need to do with it. The kill switch does not work. To stop it from running, you got to flood it. Well, that's not safe at all, considering the handbrake actually has been removed on this saw as well. So probably should get a handbrake and put it on. Certainly figure out what's wrong with that kill switch. I've had other times where it just comes unplugged. A lot of times it might even be under the flywheel where they ground it near the magneto. So I'll have to take a look. So I'll have to do a complete teardown. So anyway, tune back in for part 2 of the Husqvarna 460 Rancher refit, I guess you could call it. That's kind of my plan, to get it back in maybe not 100%, but pretty close shape. And although it runs good, I took it out, it runs fine. But I don't like flooding it to kill it, and we'll see if there's anything else when we get into it that needs to be fixed. So tune back in, and thank you for watching.